Welcome to FIRE's educational video series. In this video tutorial, we will continue with our discussion on technical analysis. By the end of this video, you will know how to identify resistance on real-time charts, but before that, let us first reiterate some of the key learnings that we studied about resistance in the previous video. A resistance is one of the two most critical concepts in technical analysis, the other being the support. A resistance is a previous high or a confluence of two or more highs if they are cluttered close to each other. You can think of resistance as a level or as a zone that offers a ceiling to the price, that is, a prior region where supply can be expected to absorb all the available demand. A resistance could either be at or above the current price of the security. An important point to remember about resistance is that a resistance is not infallible. When the price approaches a resistance, one of the two things could happen. Number one, the resistance could hold and the price could start moving lower, or number two, the resistance could break and the price could continue its up move until the next area of resistance is reached. Hence, it becomes extremely critical to closely observe how the price trades near a resistance level or near a resistance zone before deciding to pull the trigger. Let us now look at some of the real-time charts to see how to apply the concepts we have talked about thus far regarding resistance. In this chart, to the extreme left, notice how well the prior resistance held. In fact, the price even failed to touch the former highs during the subsequent rally and started declining, indicating strong selling pressure near the previous highs. Later, in the second half of this chart, see that after making the first sequence of highs, every subsequent rally over the next several candles was met with strong selling pressure near the resistance zone. What this tells us is that there is strong overhand supply near this zone, which buyers are unable to clear. See that eventually the buyers gave up and the sellers took control of the prices from the buyers. Here, notice that the price was unable to move past the high that was registered previously over here. What this tells us is that this high is acting as a strong barrier to price. Further right, see that the price again retested this resistance over the course of two successive candles, and on none of these occasions did price manage to close above this resistance. This tells that there is strong selling interest near this resistance. Eventually, buyers gave up the battle causing price to fall sharply over the course of the next several candles. In this chart, notice that price temporarily broke above the first high over here, which potentially tells the chartist that buyers are trying hard to take the price above this high. However, see that in this particular instance, the price never really managed to sustain above the first high over here, which is acting as a strong barrier to price. Given that the price has now made two peaks at near identical levels, that is this zone over here, a resistance zone can now be drawn and extended forward to find future area of resistance. And as you can see, this zone did act as a resistance when the price tested it several candles later. See that eventually the buyers seemed exhausted due to the repeated failure on their part to take the price above this barrier. Eventually, sellers started taking control of the price from the buyers, causing the price to fall steadily over the next several candles. To the left of this chart, notice that when price managed to break this prior resistance over here, it formed a strong bullish candle, indicating that buyers have started dominating the sellers. The rally that followed this ended at a particular level, the vicinity of which acted as a strong resistance zone to price over the next several candles. So if you closely observe, notice that this particular high over here acted as a strong resistance zone over the course of the next several candles. After multiple attempts, see that the buyers eventually managed to take price above this resistance zone. Finally, see that after taking resistance at a small hurdle over the course of a few candles, price managed to break above the high of those candles, leading to higher prices in the time ahead. This chart illustrates that resistances do not hold forever. They can and do break, and when they do break, it indicates that buyers have taken control of prices and that sellers have backed off from defending the resistance level or the resistance zone. This change in the balance of power from sellers to buyers causes the price to start heading higher. Well, that was all that we wanted to cover in this video. If you liked our video, do not forget to click on the like button below. Also, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel and the bell icon to receive regular updates about new videos. Thank you for watching this video.